What's up, y'all? It's a good morning, and let me tell you, there was a little bit of a storm last night, a little bit of a light show going on, and we woke up to some of the skis being really beached up high, the highest it's ever been when we've been here. We're gonna have to say bye to this lovely cottage that with these amazing views. And if you are interested in staying here, go ahead and look at the link down below. I'll put their information. It's the Chamberlain Cottages in Staniel Cay. They're very affordable. The owners are super nice and attentive. All you have to do is just message them if you have an issue, and they'll come over and take care of it right away. And then they have multiple ones, so you and your friends and family could all get a cottage. And if you do come over here, you make sure to tag me in a picture or post, and also tell Bernadette or her husband that Avian sent you. All right, let's go and see what the rest of these guys are up to. What day are we on? Day 6? Day 7? I don't know. I've lost count.
Sunday, and we started Monday. So
Day
7?
Okay, we're on day 7 on a Sunday right now. We started Monday. We're out here. So our plan for the day is that we're gonna try and make it across all the way straight to Nassau, so we can have more days in Nassau, and we're gonna skip camping one night and hopefully go to Atlantis, take these guys that's never been to Atlantis and hit the water park. And well, I think that'll be tomorrow, but we're gonna go sightseeing today. All right, let's go. Hurry up. Look at them, they're beached up really bad over there. All right, let me hurry up and put this stuff down so I can help them. All the Seadoos are in the water. It took several people to get these in and clearing of the rocks. Are you ready to go to Nassau?
Oh yeah, we've been ready.
We've been ready. 80-something miles. And Vilmati said that she will drive for me if I get tired. Actually, I may just take a beating if I ride with her though. It's about 10:39. We're about to head towards Pablo Escobar's plane, right on the side. The other day, I'll put the link up above where we went swimming over there. It was pretty cool. The current was strong, but we're heading out now. Look at the water! So amazing! I wish I could stay here longer. But time to head back, make the journey back now. 3 days in paradise. Well, all of the Bahamas is paradise. But there's a storm coming, and we gotta head back to Nassau. All right, let's go. Across to Nassau. Let's hope it's smooth just like it was over there. All right, let's go. I see it closer. We're almost there. Woo! My voice is out from this trip. Only 10 more miles, 10 more, and we're there, baby! I was just trying to give props to my dude that set the pace. You know, Charles set the pace over here. He had the GPS. We made it! All right, so we're back at Bayshore Marina in Nassau, and look, I only have 17 miles left. It is pretty much almost dry. So we're about to head right here, see Mr. Smith. We're gonna dock next to his Blackfin. I called him ahead of time to let him know that we were coming a little early. So shout out to Bayshore Marina and Marlin Marina. They support the channel and are welcoming you guys to come on and visit them. All right, y'all, so we already pulled up. We're docked up and everything. Right here, we got 5-in-1 slip. You know, I could do magic around here. We're gonna get this going and everybody is secure. Now we're looking for a hotel because we came a little early, so, and the hotel that we were gonna stay at tomorrow doesn't have any rooms. Oh, I have white stuff on my lips. Gosh. Oh, it's burnt. I don't even know what the hell all this stuff is on my face. So excuse it. What's going on? It's a blister. Dangerous. We just finished up at Senior Frogs, and now we're going to Atlantis to go look for Tonito's drone. I showed him on the map where you can find his drone. And we just also finished riding the bird scooters. That was a lot of fun. This guy over here, look at that, can't even walk. I want to go scuba dive in these tanks.